Welcome back to Cotton Candy Productions. I'm your guy, French Fry. And this is Cotton Candy. Coming back at you with another Disney Doorables Series 7 unboxing. Just finished unboxing 3 large packs. We have 2 left. We're down to only needing 5 to complete the collection. We just opened Marshmallow and Ray to complete both the Frozen and whatever that movie's called. Princess Tiana? Princess and the Frog. There we go. So we need 5 left. 3 are color changers. So we know we're not going to get all 3 of those in these 2, but let's see what we get.
Open that. Then I'm going to open this one.
I was just helping you. Well, let's go. Open.
Okay, open.
Your fans are waiting.
5. Okay. Find the Mickey.
Probably in the same place you found them on the other
Found
one.
it.
There it is. All right, what do we get? How many do we get? There's only 5. Yay, we get a color changer. Maybe that color changer will be Pascal, Aurora, or black and white Mickey.
Let me see if it's in this bag. Wait.
That bag is Boo Anna. It's Anna.
It's like a warrior.
Come on, Fear. That's like, we only had 1 of him, and now we have like 80. It's Fear. It's Syndrome. We have like 87 of them. Come on, that's like the most popular one. That and Joy. It's Mowgli, Mopey, whatever his name is. It's the color changer. Oh my God, is it Pascal? Cheshire Cat. Color changer. Awesome. 0 for 5. We still need 5. Yep, go.
Okay, I'm going to show you one at a time. Where's my magnifying glass? That came with it.
You ripped it off.
Ooh, see the daisies. Found it.
Boo, it's a 6-pack. We don't get a color changer.
Why do we need a color changer?
Because 3 of the 5 we need are color changers.
I see brown. Nope. This is feet.
It's Dash.
Dash.
0 for 6.
I see something orange.
It's
Tiger.
Tiger.
I thought it was like monster.
0 for 7.
I thought it was like a monster or something. That was wings. See yellow.
It's Russell.
Russell, yeah. We got 6 of Russell.
We might have more.
It's purple and there's like a real face.
Oh, it's Dr. Shaka Khan. Dr. something. Dr. Illuminati. Joy.
Joy.
She's not joyful.
No, she isn't.
Nope. Not at all.
Another Snowy.
And there we go. All the ones we got earlier off camera, we now have 2 of. It's the Snuggies.
Snuggies. Bell.
And Belle. All right. We just went 0 for 11 on those 2 packs. Belle. We still need 5 to complete our set. We need 3 color changers and Violet and what was it?
Bye-bye.
And Anger. Violet, Anger, and 3 color changers. Well, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on TikTok as well. So we usually do our color reveals on TikTok. we will not be doing that one because we have so many of them. But, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Until next
You're
time.
welcome.